Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I actually picked up an Amazon gaming chair from Homall. It is an S Racer. Total of this chair was around $120 roughly. So I would put that into the category of a budget gaming chair. I honestly wasn't looking to break the bank on this one. I just needed something to sit my ass in. So today I'm going to be unboxing the chair, putting it together, testing it out for a few hours, letting you know what I think about it. I'm going to get a pretty good idea after a few hours of just sitting and gaming on it or editing, whatever I'm going to be doing, if I'm going to like the chair or not. I am a big guy. I was looking for something that's going to carry me. It said online that this does have a weight capacity of 300 pounds, so you're going to get a pretty good idea of if this chair is going to work for you or not. Let's jump into the unboxing and let's get this thing put together. Alright guys, so I took the liberty of cutting open the box already, just save a little bit of time. So this is what it looks like right when you open it. It looks like the bottom portion here. Feels pretty sturdy, honestly. So that's a good sign so far. Got the armrest here. Now, a downside of paying $120 for a gaming chair is these don't actually adjust, but I am hoping that they're just the perfect height anyways. I don't really adjust mine on my other chairs that I have, so it's not a big deal. Yes, I got those. Some garbage. Alright, so here is the backrest. It's got a good amount of weight to it, actually. Feels good. Let me get this opened up here. Check out the stitching. Alright, so here it is. Yeah, I mean, overall, this is what I was hoping for the price. Feels good. I think it'll be comfortable. So yeah, that'll be good, I think. What we got here? Got covers for the part that reclines the chair. Oops. Here's like the little neck cushion. Isn't much to say about this thing. I mean, it's a cushion for your neck, so feels really squishy, soft, comfortable. You know, I can deal with that for sure. And then here's the seat part. Might be hard to tell in the video, but this thing is actually gigantic. The sides don't come up too much on the side here. So it looks like, as far as sitting down, this is gonna be real comfortable. Get this opened up here. Oh yeah. This thing honestly feels like it's gonna be excellent to sit on. Sides here don't have a ton of cushion, but I don't think that will be too big of an issue. I guess we'll have to see once I put it together. And then this looks like the lumbar support cushion. This is the Speed Series here. Same deal. I'm sure it will do its job. Other than that, we just kind of got the stuff to put it together, the part that connects the two. Nothing special here. So I'm gonna kind of just jump forward here. I'm gonna build it, and then I'll be back with the final product and then what I think about it. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. Overall, like aesthetically wise, for $120, I have to say this is absolutely beautiful. All the stitching and everything, I have kind of looked it over a little bit, and it looks really, really good. As far as like The armrests go, not being able to move. You know, they're actually at a really nice height. I didn't mind that at all. And then lumbar support and the neck rest, honestly, for me, they didn't really do anything. I actually might take this thing off. It kind of pushes into my back, kind of weird. Not a huge fan, honestly. This, I don't actually even notice it, so I'll just leave that on. And then overall, this does have like a tilt feature on the side. It tilts back pretty far. You can go up and down. Yeah, overall it is a cool chair. I definitely don't regret that $120 purchase. So I will let you know after I use it for a little bit, just as far as comfortability wise, how it is. For the little bit that I've sat in it so far though, I absolutely love it. I look forward to actually using this thing. Hopefully it holds up quality wise and stuff. Alright guys, so I have been using the chair now for a handful of hours. Basically this is what I think about it so far. As far as quality goes so far, for $110, amazing. I would recommend it to anyone. As far as comfortability goes, it's comfortable enough. I'm gonna use it with no problem really. As far as the weight limit, I said it's 300 pounds earlier, so that won't be a problem. But as far as, you know, the width of the chair and stuff, I am a wider dude, so the sides of the chair are a little tight. Not too bad though by any means. Armrests, I could use, you know, a little bit higher, but as far as them being stuck here, it's not a huge deal to me. I just gotta keep remembering that this chair was $120, and for that you're probably honestly not going to get anything better. So I do give this chair a recommendation if you have been looking on it on Amazon. I did look for quite a while and I didn't really see anything else that popped out to me like this one did, so I'm glad I went with this one. You know, it has decent reviews on Amazon. Wasn't sure what to think until I got it in my hands, and I actually really like it. So appreciate you guys. Until next time.